My name is Hazel. I'm a hospital companion with Marie Curie based at the University Hospital of Wales in Cardiff. My role as a companion is to be assigned to patients who are at the last stages of life, to support the palliative care team by visiting patients. It is just to bring some comfort and something different into the life of somebody who is now facing the last stages of life. To bring something of a comfort, a smile, a memory, a joke, a listening ear. Sometimes your presence there creates that environment for them of something that they're not alone. Not only am I available for the benefit of a patient, but for their families and loved ones too. They may just need to go and have a break for a short time. And so to be able to be present and offer them that support is invaluable as they all come together and face this last stage of their loved one's life.